Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about the new customization tab in the YouTube channel dashboard. Alright, so I'm here in our YouTube channel dashboard, and if you scroll over here to the left area and you scroll down, you'll see that there is now a customization tab. And if you click on it, so far, you've got these three tabs: layout, branding, and basic info. So this is where you can change some things and grab some quick information that you need to share around. So first thing is your channel link. You can easily grab that there. And then we've got here video spotlight. This is the video that shows up on the home page of your channel. So this video right here that I have for both the channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed and the featured video for returning subscribers, that shows up here on the front end of YouTube when people land on your channel. That's this video right here. That's the featured video. So now in the customization tab, you can just change that in here. Before you had to go to the front end of your channel, and now they've just made it a lot easier by putting a tab like this here. So for both videos, I have them the same, and there's a specific reason for that. I put one specific video that I want more views on, and in this case it's the video that I'm talking about, how much we make with 34,000 subscribers. People tend to be really interested in that, especially because we do teach people how to start their own YouTube channels. So I like to show this video as credibility that we actually do make money from our channel, and people are always curious about this information. And to change it, you would just click on the three dots here, options, and then you can change video or remove the video. If you click change video, it will go into your video library here, and you can do also a search and find a specific video as well. Next, if you scroll down, it has the featured sections. So on the front end, I'm here on the front end of the channel again. These are the featured sections. So daily video schedule, YouTube marketing tips and video creation tools, selling on Etsy, Camtasia video editing, and you can see that it is the same order back here on the channel dashboard. And from here, you can change the order of this. So you see the little hand there that pops up? I can drag this and move it here if I want to, but we've specifically laid it out in this order. And if you want to edit something, again, you go to the three dots, click on options, and you can edit the videos that are in here. Next, if we head over to branding, this is your profile picture. So this is how you change your little profile picture that shows up on YouTube. And that's this picture right here. Again, on the home page, this is your profile picture, and this is your channel banner, this big thing right here. So you can also change your channel banner as well, and it gives you a tiny preview of what it looks like on desktop, on the laptop, and on mobile. And then the last thing here in branding is the watermark. So if you notice when you play videos, there's a tiny watermark that shows up on the bottom right hand of your videos. You can actually choose when this watermark appears on your video. So you can have a custom start time, entire video, or at the end of the video. We always have it for the entire video. And then last tab here is the basic info tab. And this is your channel name and description. So right here you can edit your channel name, and then this is the description, the about section of your channel. So if we go here, this is the channel name right here, and then if you click on the about section, that is that section there. If you scroll down, you can also add some links. So we have links to our Creative Business Academy with some of our courses, and this is a link to our free Facebook group, and this is a link to our website. And then here you can choose how many links you'd like to show on your banner. Right now we've only got 3 here, but you can choose first link, first 2 links, first 3 links. We just chose the maximum, which is 5. even though we only have 3 at the moment. We can add 2 more if we wanted to. And the last thing there is your contact info. So by YouTube adding this customization tab, it now makes it a lot easier because they've put everything all in one. Before, you had to go to a different place to do this part of your channel trailer, and you had to go to a different section to do these featured sections. And this profile picture, you had to go into like a Google Plus thing before, and it was pretty confusing. So I'm glad that they've put all of this stuff in the customization tab. And because it's new, it's probably going to change over time. They'll probably add more features, more stuff in this tab, but it is definitely a great start. If you haven't checked out the customization tab, I highly recommend you get in there and update some of the stuff for your channel. Alright, so that is the new customization tab in the YouTube dashboard. If you guys want to check out some links from us, we've got a free Facebook group. We've got some resources on how we've built our YouTube channel. And if you want a free YouTube ideas guide, head down to the description below. We'll have all those links for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.